Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover operator overloading. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover addition operator overloading. I have created class addition with member as integer val. Created set value member function to set value to variable val. Addition operator overloading, where I am adding variable val of two objects of addition class. In the main function, I created three objects for class addition, A1, A2 and A3. Set value for variable val of object A1 and A2. Performed addition on variable val of object A1 and A2, and assigned to variable val of object A3. Displaying value of variable val of object A1, A2, and A3, using cout function. In the next program, I am going to cover prefix and postfix operator overloading. I have created class operator with member as integer val. Created set value member function to set value to variable val. Prefix operator overloading, where I am performing prefix addition operation on variable val. Postfix operator overloading, where I am performing postfix addition operation on variable val. In the main function, I created object for class operator A. Set value for variable val of object A. Perform prefix addition on object A to perform prefix increment on variable val and displaying the value. Perform postfix addition on object A to perform postfix increment on variable val and displaying the value. In the next program, I am going to cover assignment operator overloading. I have created class assignment with member as integer val. Created set value member function to set value to variable val. Assignment operator overloading, where I am assigning value of variable val of one object to another object. In the main function, I created two objects for class assignment, A1 and A2. Set value for variable val of object A1. Assigned value to variable val of object A1 to object A2. Displaying value of variable val of object A1 and A2 using cout function. In the next program, I am going to cover equality operator overloading. I have created class equality with member as integer val. Created constructor to set value for variable val. Equality operator overloading, where I am comparing value of variable val of one object with another object, and returning true if values are equal, and false if values are not equal. In the main function, I created three objects for class equality, A1, A2, and A3 and set values for variable val of object A1, A2 and A3. Displaying comparison of value of variable val of object A1 with A2 and A1 with A3 using cout function. In the next program, I am going to cover integer overloading. I have created class integer with member as integer val. Created set value member function to set value to variable val. Integer overloading, which returns value of variable val. In the main function, I created object for class integer A1. Set value for variable val of object A1. Created variable A2 of type int and assigned it to value of variable val of object A1. Displaying value of variable val of object A1 and integer A2 using cout function. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on C++ program interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, Click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.